The ritual of tea gifting, meaningful gestures and traditions. The ritual of tea gifting, meaningful gestures and traditions. Introduction. In many cultures around the world, the act of gifting holds significant importance. It is a way to express gratitude, show love, and foster deeper connections with others. Among the various types of gifts, there is one that stands out for its rich history and profound symbolism: the gift of tea. The ritual of tea gifting has a long-standing tradition in numerous cultures, each with their unique customs and meanings. In this article, we will explore the world of tea gifting, its cultural significance, and the meaningful gestures and traditions associated with it. The art of choosing the right tea. Before delving into the rituals of tea gifting, it is important to understand the various types of teas and their significance. Different teas have different characteristics and flavors, each representing a particular sentiment or occasion. For example, green tea is often associated with vitality, health, and new beginnings, making it a perfect gift for birthdays or to wish someone good luck. On the other hand, black tea, with its bold flavor and robustness, symbolizes strength and resilience, and is often given to offer support and encouragement during challenging times. Oolong tea with tea's desirable balance between green and black tea is commonly exchanged as a gesture of friendship. By carefully selecting the right tea, you can convey your intentions and emotions through your gift. The essence of tea gifting. Tea gifting is not just about the exchange of leaves, it goes beyond that. It is a way to express respect, appreciation, and consideration for the recipient. The act of gifting tea is deeply rooted and the notions of sharing and creating bonds. Whether it is a simple gesture or an elaborate ceremony, the essence remains the same: to forge a connection and enhance relationships. The gesture of giving tea allows individuals to communicate their feelings of warmth, hospitality, and goodwill, transcending boundaries and language barriers. Cultural traditions of tea gifting. 1. Chinese tea gifting. In Chinese culture, tea is considered a symbol of respect and gratitude. Tea gifting is especially prevalent during festivals, weddings, and formal occasions. The recipient is often presented with a beautifully wrapped package containing tea leaves of the highest quality. The act of receiving the gift is equally important, with the recipient expressing gratitude and acknowledging the gesture. Tea is customary for the recipient to offer a simple bow and accept the gift with both hands, a sign of appreciation and humility. 2. Japanese tea gifting. In Japan, the ritual of tea gifting holds great significance and is deeply intertwined with the country's tea ceremony, known as chanoyu. The act of giving tea, known as ochugen, is primarily practiced during summer and winter festivals. The tea offered during ochugen is usually high-quality matcha, a powdered green tea. The gift is presented in beautifully decorated boxes or fabric wraps, symbolizing the thoughtfulness of the giver. The recipient graciously accepts the tea, often bowing and expressing their gratitude. 3. Indian tea gifting. In India, tea is an indispensable part of daily life and social gatherings. Tea gifting holds a special place, especially during festivals such as Diwali and Eid. along with tea leaves, traditional Ni and sweets are often included in the gift, signifying prosperity and happiness. The recipient receives the gift with enthusiasm and offers heartfelt thanks. In some regions, it is customary for the recipient to share a cup of freshly brewed tea with the giver, enhancing the bond between them. The modern tea gifting experience. While the traditions of tea gifting continue to be upheld in many cultures, the modern world has introduced its own twists to this ancient practice. Today, tea gift sets are readily available, with a variety of flavors and unique packaging options. These sets often include tea accessories like teapots, cups, and infusers, making them even more special. Tea companies also offer personalized potska, jing and customization options, allowing individuals to tailor their gift to suit the recipient's preferences. This modernization has made tea gifting more accessible and convenient, yet it doesn't diminish the emotional value of the gesture. The significance of tea gifting in Western culture. Although tea gifting has deep roots in Eastern cultures, its significance has also gradually spread to the Western world. As the popularity of tea continues to rise, the act of giving tea as a gift has become more common and appreciated. In Western culture, tea is often associated with relaxation, comfort, and self-care. Therefore, gifting tea can be seen as a gesture of care and concern for the well-being of the recipient. In Western countries like England, tea gifting is a way to embrace the beloved tradition of afternoon tea. Special tea sets or intricate teapots are often included in the gift, enhancing the overall tea drinking experience. Tea gift baskets, with a selection of different tea flavors and accompanying treats like biscuits or scones, are also popular choices. In the United States, tea gifting has taken on a trendy and personalized twist. People often opt for unique and artisanal tea blends that reflect the recipient's taste preferences or health goals. Subscription boxes have also gained popularity, allowing the recipient to explore a variety of teas over time. In both Eastern and Western cultures, the act of tea gifting extends beyond the physical exchange of tea. It is a gesture that promotes mindfulness, self-care, and taking a moment to pause and enjoy life's simple pleasures. Whether shared with loved ones or enjoyed in solitude, tea creates a space for connection, relaxation, and reflection. Tips for tea gifting. 1. Consider the recipient's preferences. Take into account the recipient's taste preferences, dietary restrictions, and health goals when choosing the tea. There are numerous options available, from herbal teas to exotic blends, so you can find something that suits their individual preferences. 2. Personalize the gift. Add a personal touch to the tea gift by including a handwritten note or a small token that holds significance. It could be a teacup, a tea infuser, or even a book on tea cult. The additional thoughtfulness will make the gift even more meaningful. 3. Pair it with treats. Consider including some treats that complement the tea. Biscuits, chocolates, or honey are popular choices that add a touch of indulgence to the tea drinking experience. 4. Choose quality over quantity. Instead of opting for a large quantity of inexpensive tea, consider selecting a smaller quantity of high-quality tea. This allows the recipient to truly savor the force and experience the essence of the tea. 5. Share the joy of brewing. If the recipient is new to the world of tea or enjoys experimenting, consider including brewing instructions or a guide to tea preparation. This will enable them to fully appreciate the gift and discover the joy of brewing their own perfect cup of tea. As the ritual of tea gifting continues to evolve and adapt to modern times, it remains a timeless gesture that is cherished across cultures. So go ahead and embark on a journey of tea gifting, and la. Tea, the beautiful traditions and gestures enrich your relationships and bring a sense of tranquility to the recipient's lives. The benefits of tea gifting. Tea gifting offers numerous benefits, both for the giver and the recipient. Here are a few reasons why tea gifting is a thoughtful and meaningful gesture. 1. Health and wellness. Tea is known for its various health benefits, such as boosting immunity, aiding digestion, and promoting relaxation. By gifting tea, you are not only offering a delicious beverage but also showing that you care about the well-being of the recipient.